Top 6 Python libraries for data science. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. Python is the go-to programming language of 2021. And Python is one of the first skill sets that a recruiter will search for in a data science professional's resume. A data science library contains pieces of code, modules that are capable of performing data science tasks. These pieces of code are typically reused by developers and programmers. In this short video, I'm going to discuss the top 6 Python libraries for data science. Number 1. PyTorch. This library has been developed on the concept of Torch, a machine learning library. PyTorch is used by data science professionals to design computational graphs dynamically. This includes the execution of different complex tasks, such as fast tensor computation and transitioning in graph mode. PyTorch is essentially a Python-based scientific computing library that leverages the power of graphics processing units. This deep learning research platform presents developers with maximum flexibility and speed. The trending data-centric demands have ensured the rising popularity of PyTorch among data scientists. The main advantage of PyTorch is it enables a cloud-based environment for quick scaling of resources in testing or deployment. Number 2. Beautiful Soup. This Python library simplifies scraping information from web pages. Beautiful Soup sits atop an XML, or Extensible Markup Language, or HTML, hypertext markup language, parser, and furnishes Pythonic idioms for searching, iterating, and modifying the parse tree. The main function of this library is to isolate titles and links from web pages. You can also pull data out of XML and HTML files. Beautiful Soup can extract all the text from HTML tags. It can also change the HTML in the document you're working with. This library detects encodings automatically and handles HTML documents that even have special characters. You can navigate a parsed document and locate what you need. The whole process of extracting data from the web pages is quick and hassle-free. Number 3. Pandas. Pandas, short for Python Data Analysis Library, is built over NumPy. DataFrame is the main data structure of Pandas, and DataFrame enables you to store and manage data from tables. You'll need to perform manipulation over rows and columns to accomplish this. Pandas works as an elementary building block for carrying out real-world analysis on labeled or relational data. The main feature of Pandas is you can easily compute the most complex data operations using only a few commands. Pandas has several built-in methods for grouping, filtering, and combining data. The functionality and flexibility of Pandas are greatly enhanced when combined with other Python libraries and tools. Another useful feature of Pandas is that it offers support for iteration, aggregations, re-indexing, and visualizations. Number 4. Bokeh. Storytelling is one of the most important steps in data visualization, and storytelling is the most challenging step when it comes to data science mastery. Telling a story about your data in such a manner that your team leader and team members are able to understand and get a clear picture of your analysis is a fine art. Bokeh enables you to do just this by creating scalable visualizations. This feature is extremely useful for making your data easy to understand. It's true that there are dozens of other libraries in Python for creating visualizations, but Bokeh is preferred specifically for creating visualizations inside browsers. Number 5. Plotly. Plotly is another Python data visualization library that is somewhat similar to Bokeh. The types of available charts in Bokeh include box plots, heat maps, histograms, time series, scatter plots, and bubble charts. The charts are visually attractive and highly customizable. Plotly helps in understanding data easily. This library also helps to identify the anomalies or outliers in your data. Crosstalk integration, animation, and linked views are some of the features that Plotly offers. Plotly allows you to include buttons in your plot, add sliders to the plot, and create a drop-down menu too. Number 6. NLTK. NLTK, short for Natural Language Toolkit, is very helpful in the execution of natural language processing tasks. Stephen Bird and Edward Loper developed this library at the University of Pennsylvania. You can perform operations such as text tagging, tokenization, stemming, regression, semantic reasoning, classifications, name entities recognition, corpus tree creation, and several other complex AI tasks with NLTK. This library simplifies challenging tasks such as summarization or semantic analysis and automation that require large building blocks. The only downside of this library is that it is rather slow. We have 2 short courses on the AI Sciences platform that teach you about these Python libraries. The first course is Python for Data Science and Data Analysis, 89 lessons. This practical learning course covers the basics of Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bokeh, and scikit-learn. The second course is Data Understanding and Data Visualization with Python, 78 lessons. This course covers 3 important data science techniques: Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for data processing, and Visualize using Matplotlib, Bokeh, Plotly, and Seaborn. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a data scientist, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons, and see you in the next video. Take care!